Hello students, welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss area of a triangle. So you know how to find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, you know the formula area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height or altitude. Another formula you know that is Heron's formula. Heron's formula you learn in class 9. Okay, now today we are going to learn about how to find the area of a triangle when coordinates of the vertices are given. That means A, B, C for this case. In vertices are given here x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. In this case, how we can find the area of this triangle? Now here we have to construct something. What we will construct? We will draw BQ, we will draw AP and we will draw CR such that all the three lines are perpendicular to x axis. Okay. So after drawing this much figure, we can see some trapeziums are being formed in this figure. Okay. So who are the trapezium? You can see. One second. Trapezium ABQP is one of the trapezium. Similarly, APRC another trapezium and BQRC. Three trapeziums has been formed. Now to find the area of triangle ABC, we can take the help of these three trapeziums. What we can do? We can add the area of trapezium ABQP first. That means this area I am setting it plus area of trapezium APRC this much. So we have got the whole area. Now we will subtract the area of trapezium BQ. Okay, we will change the color for it. BQRC. This area will subtract. Okay. Now who will remain? The remaining portion will be triangle ABC. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. Now see, we'll write that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium APQP. APQP I have already told plus area of trapezium APRC. APRC this one. Okay. Minus area of trapezium BQRC. BQRC means this one. Okay. Then we will find the area of triangle ABC. So now area of trapezium. Now area of trapezium we know the formula for area of the trapezium. So area of a trapezium formula is, suppose we will take this example. This is a trapezium BQRC. What is the area? Area will be 1 by 2 into sum of its parallel sides. That means 1 by 2 into parallel sides are BQ and CR. So BQ plus CR into difference between them. That means QR into QR. So this will be the area of trapezium. This is the formula. The formula of area of trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Okay. Now here we have written here area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium ABQP. Now area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium ABQP. Look at the figure ABQP, this trapezium. Now what will be the area? 1 by 2 into BQ plus FP, BQ plus FP into QP. So BQ plus FP into QP plus again this trapezium APRC. Look at the figure APRC. What will be the area? 1 by 2 into FP plus RC. So 1 by 2 into FP plus RC or CR into PR is the length, this one. Okay, length or distance between the parallel sides. Now minus area of BQRC. Look at the figure BQRC, this area. Okay, so 1 by 2 into BQ plus RC into QR. So 1 by 2 into BQ plus RC or CR into QR. Okay, up to this much we are clear. Now let's see 1 by 2 into BQ plus FP. Now look at the figure. Where is BQ? BQ here it is. What is the length of BQ? BQ is nobody but the y coordinate of point P, that is y2, y2. And FP, look at FP. FP is who at the length of AP? FP is nobody but y coordinate of at point A, that is y1. So y2 and y1. So 1 by 2 into y2 plus y1 into QP. Now look at figure QP. Here it is QP. QP equal to OP minus OQ. Now length of OP is, you can see, x1 minus OQ. OQ is x2. So x1 minus x2. Here we have written x1 minus x2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 we have written FP plus here. Look at the figure again. FP, where is FP? FP we have just written. FP is y1. CR, look at figure CR. CR is y3. So y1 plus y3 whole into PR. Again PR. PR equal to UR. What is the length of UR? UR is x3 minus OP. What is the length of OP? OP you can see x1. So x3 minus x1. Here we have written x3 minus x1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we have written BQ plus CR. Again look at the figure. Where is BQ? BQ here y2. Okay, BQ is y2 plus CR. Look at figure CR. CR is y3. So y2 plus y3 into QR. Again look at figure. Where is QR? QR is here. Okay, so QR is equal to, you can write QR is equal to OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ. Now you see what is the length of OR? OR. Okay, what is the x coordinate of this? See, is x3. So you can write x3 minus OQ. OQ. Here the x distance is x2. So x3 minus x2. Okay. So here I have written x3 minus x2. Okay. Now we'll move to the next step. Okay. Here there is no next step. In your book, direct formula has been written. So you can write it direct formula or you can calculate further. So from here we can move. You can calculate it like you can take 1 by 2 as common. So you will take 1 by 2 as common. 1 second. 1 by 2 we can take common. Then we can multiply all these y2 into x1 minus y2 into x2 plus y1 into x1 minus y1 into x2. So let's write it. y2 x1 y2 x1 minus y2 x2 plus y1 x1 minus y1 x2. Okay, then come to here, y1 into x3 minus y1 x1 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1. Let's write it. Plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1. Now we'll move to here, this part. Minus is here, so minus y3 into x3. So minus y3 x3 plus y3 x2, again minus y3 x3, then plus y3 x2. So let's write it. Minus y2 x3 minus y2 x3 plus y2 x2, then it will be minus y3 x3 plus y3 x2. Okay, here the signs has been changed, so complete the bracket. Now you can see some terms can be cancelled here, like your second term minus y2 x2 can be cancelled with here plus y2 x2. Okay, similarly your third term, this one y1 x1 can be cancelled with your minus y1 x1. Here it is. Okay. Similarly, we can cancel y3 x3 here with minus y3 x3. Okay. So this much term is being cancelled. Now you can write them, which will be equal to 1 by 2, give bracket, y2 x1, whoever remained will write y2 x1, 1 second, cancel. Okay, y2 x1, now which remain minus y1 x2, y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y3 x1 minus y2 x3 plus y3 x2. Okay, now we will bring all x1s together, means y2 x1 and minus y3 x1 together. Okay, so we'll write it like this, equal to 1 by 2 y2 x1 minus y3 x1. Okay, then we will bring all x2 together like this one, minus y2 x2 and who is x2, yes, plus y3 x2 and all x3 together plus y1 x3 minus y2 x3 y2 x3. Okay, now here we will calculate. Now again you can see here x1, you can take x1 common here, so that who will remain y2 minus y3. Okay, so here 1 by 2 will take common, then x1 will be again common, then here y2 minus y3 will remain, x1 into y2 minus y3 y2. Then again you come to these two terms, here you can take x2 as common, after taking x2 common plus x2 into you will have y3 minus y2 minus y2. Okay, then plus again you come to here x3 is common, you can take x3 as common, x3 into y1 minus y2. So here it is a formula. Okay, so this formula is nothing but this one. Okay, you can check it, 1 by 2 into x1. So I am okay, no need to erase. So here you can see we got this formula. So this is the formula when vertices of a three vertices of a triangle is given and we have to find the area of the triangle.